Ito naman yung ibang klaseng tangke ng Philippine Army, mga ka-vlog. Yan. Basahin natin yung history. Tinatawag siyang Armor Pambato Division Philippine Army. M4 Sherman tank. The M4 Sherman tank was the most commonly used American tank in the World War II. More than 50,000 Shermans were produced between 1942 and 1945. They were used in all combat theater not only by the US but also by Great Britain, the Free French China, Soviet Union, and the Philippine soldiers. The tank was named by the British for the American Civil War. General William Tecumseh Sherman. This was widely used by the tank companies of the Battalion Combat Team of the Philippine Army. Yan ang history niya, mga ka-vlog. So ito yung Sherman tank, M4.